Magandang hapon, narito na ang 2 p.m. Lotto Result. Araw ng Biyernes, September 27, 2024. Sa 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw. 17 and 20 in exact order. Sa 3D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw. 4, 5, and 7 in exact order. Ngayong gabi sa Mega Lotto 645 na may estimated jackpot of 70 million. At sa Ultra Lotto 658 na may estimated jackpot of 195 million. Lotto draw schedules ngayong gabi. Easy to Lotto, Suertres Lotto, 4D Lotto, Mega Lotto 645 at ang Ultra Lotto 658. Panoorin natin ang live broadcast every 2 p.m., 5 p.m. at 9 p.m. Maraming salamat po. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan na mag-like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell.